been a while since my last video, so I decided to give you guys an update on what I've been working on. neonpie.xyz just launched. There you'll find content before it hits YouTube, and much needed adoption charts for innovative tech. Qwik tutorial and movie database project with tmdb. Logseq explained briefly. Tutorial and Logseq movie database project to manage your watchlist locally with data from both tmdb and omdb. Open source AI. I've been playing with open source AI quite a bit. I couldn't find a great place that gathers info on open source AI for both beginners and experts, so I decided I should create one. More surrealdb, gunjs, tauri, more AI, more explainers. Comment your thoughts and subscribe if you want to know more.